Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel xampp. Today I'm going to teach you how to deploy Laravel project on live server or cPanel. So let's start. As you can see, this is my Laravel project on local server. This project is developed in Laravel 9. In this project, login and register both functionalities are working fine. So I am going to upload this project on cPanel so that client can also review it. First of all, open your cPanel and find File Manager. Now click on it. Select public_HTML folder. This is an empty folder. We have to paste our project here. Go into xampp htdocs folder on your computer. Laravel_9_ version is my project. You have to compress to zip file. This will compress Laravel project to zip file. Now go to cPanel and click Upload button. Select zipped file and click Open button. It will start uploading your project. After uploading file, select zipped file and click Extract file. Open folder and select all files. Click Move button and move all files to public_HTML folder. Now go to cPanel and select MySQL Databases. Here we will create new database for Laravel. So the new database added into cPanel. Create new user for database. Create username and click Password Generator. It will automatically generate password for user. Make sure you copy this password and paste it into Notepad or any other text editor. Click Use Password button. Now click Create User button. So it successfully created user. Third step is we have to assign this user to database. Click this Add button and select All Privileges option. It will select all options. Click Make Changes button. Now go to localhost PhpMyAdmin in your computer and select your current database which you are using for project. Click Export button to download database. After downloading, go back to cPanel and select PhpMyAdmin. Here, select the database you created. Click Import button to import downloaded database. Click Choose button and select the database from Downloads folder. Click Go button. It will import database into cPanel database. So our database has been successfully imported. Now go to cPanel file manager and edit .env file in Laravel. Here we will mention the database name, username and password, which we created while creating new database. Click Save Changes button. Now let's check the final result on website. So it's showing 403 error. This error is showing because we don't have .htdocs file. Let's go to File Manager. Click File button and create new htdocs file. Copy this text and paste it into .htdocs file. I will give this text into description box. You can copy this text and can paste it into .htdocs file. Click Save Changes. Let's again check this website. So finally our project has been deployed on cPanel. Login page and register page are working fine on live server. You can also deploy your Laravel project on cPanel like this. If you like this video, click subscribe button for latest updates. Thank you.